Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So in this video we are going to analyze Bank Nifty and we are going to see what can be done for the next week. Okay, so this is my analysis. So I thought I would do a video on this. I have few plans and I thought I would share the same with you guys as well. So let's see how it goes. Basically, in weekly time frame, Bank Nifty is looking really good, right? So far it has given a very good breakout out of this, and the rally was awesome. And we all, I made money, and some of you guys also made money in this rally. So what is happening right now is last week there was a brutal fall, correct? Two candles, and again there was equally a good buying. Okay, so we can say that these two candles have been compensated, right? Because this red candle, right, it was completely engulfed by this green candle. If you look at this candle, the close was more than 8,851 or something like that. So there is no wick on this candle. So usually the close is based on 315, but if you look at the other 15 minutes, you would realize that the candle closed above this, which means this red candle has been absolutely engulfed by the buyers, correct? So which means that the buying momentum was there. Okay, even on this day, which is on 24th of August, there was a very good buying momentum, and then for the next 2 days there was a pure consolidation, correct? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a line, trend line, where it took a good support. So these are the places where Bank Nifty took a good support. And if you go further into 15 minutes time frame, okay, so you would find a resistance line. Okay, so on Friday, the reason why Bank Nifty was not able to cross this area is because of this trend line. There was a clear rejection in this trend line, and if you draw this, there is again a good support here. So on Monday, what is going to happen is, as you guys know that there was a brutal fall in US market on Friday because of the Powell speech. They are going to increase they are going to increase the rates, and again because of that the market reacted very badly, and there was a brutal fall, correct? So we can expect that there is going to be a downfall. So we have to wait and check on Monday if there is going to be a huge gap down. If there is a huge gap down, please don't take any trades for first 2-3 hours. Okay, so let's say the market has a gap down until here. We have to wait and see if it is going to test this trend line and how it is going to react over this trend line. If there is going to be a huge buying around this trend line, I wouldn't mind buying it, but if there is a huge breakdown, okay, I will definitely short it. When the candlestick, it is all about the candlestick, so don't go long or short based on your prediction. That is wrong. You have to take your trades only based on what has happened already, and what are you going to do, how you are going to react based on that price action. So let's say there is a huge hammer candle in 15 minutes. I wouldn't mind buying it with a very small stop loss. Or let's say there is a huge breakdown from this trend line, right? I wouldn't go short immediately. I would wait for some kind of a pullback, and definitely I'll go short. Okay, because all of the world markets follow US market, and the US market has fallen like anything on Friday. So we can expect that the Bank Nifty is going to break down from this trend line as well. So I am a guy who does not follow the support and resistance. So this is my style. I trade based on trend lines and triangle patterns and channels. This is how I make money. So this is my analysis. Probably you can incorporate with your existing strategies, whatever you follow. But JFT members, you know what should be done. So basically wait for a breakdown, and then wait for some kind of a pullback, you can enter, or if you're willing to risk, you can go short right away, and put your stop loss accordingly. Put your small stop loss. And where could it go? So that is not something we can predict. Okay, how long the consolidation could happen. Okay, I still think that this is not a huge, so far if you look at it, so far there hasn't been any reversal. Okay, so far it looks neutral. The longer trend still is bullish. So on Monday we have to check, and if there is a brutal red candle like this, and then I can tell you that okay, the trend has changed. But for now I'll wait and see. On Monday morning, for the first 2 hours, I'll check what is going to happen. Okay, so please do not short immediately. Please do not short when there is a huge gap down also. So we have to see if it is where it is opening now. That is very important. Okay, I think there's going to be some kind of a gap down. So if it is gapping down right around in this area, that is going to be very critical. So we have to wait. I'm not going to take any trades. I'm not going to rush. I'm going to take my time and then decide my decision. Okay, so yeah, my trade on Banknifty is also going to be based on what I explained you right now. So I hope this kind of analysis helps you guys. See you soon on another video. I hope let me know if you want a weekly analysis on Banknifty or Nifty, because I don't think I can do a daily analysis. My view doesn't change every day or every few hours, so I need some days to change my opinion. So at least probably every 10 days or 7 days I can do a video. So let me know in the comment section, and please like this video. I hope it gets at least 5k likes. And sorry for not editing this video because my editor is not here. I'm in the office, so I thought I will just do a raw video anyway, because the analysis is more important than all the effects, right? So please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you're new to this. Okay, thank you so much.